Wow.
Grabe, ang galing ng Aster. Is that your single or is that the whole album?
It's our main track from our first ever full-length album po. So, layag.
Oh, what is it called again?
Layag.
Huh?
Layag.
Layag.
Like to
Layag.
sail.
Seal.
But the album is called Talayag and the main track is Layag.
Oh!
Bago na ba?
Ang talino ng paggagawa nun. Anong meaning ng layag or kalayag?
Layag means to sail, basically like on a body of water. Yeah, so basically, sorry, medyo hinihinga lang ako.
Sige,
Pero, yeah.
saluhin na kita, Way.
Yes.
Ayan, yung ibig sabihin po ng
Nakawin siya
layag.
kapag sa sale.
Yeah, layag is sail. And kung mapapansin niyo po, yung pangalan po ng album namin is Talayag. And yung tala po is a star. And it represents po our fans, which is we call Twinkles. And yung layag po, syempre, naglalayag po kami towards our dreams kasama po yung mga fans namin, which is yung Twinkles. And happy anniversary, Twinkles!
Happy anniversary, Twinkle!
Shout out naman sa Twinkles dyan!
Yes.
Ay, napaka-inspiring ng group na to. Meron ba kayong message sa mga those younger than you and yung sa mga tao na may gustong ma-reach na pangarap? Tulad ninyo.
Si leader niyo.
On behalf of Aster, siguro masabi ko lang sa mga tao nandito, especially yung mas nakakabata sa amin, gaya ng mga idols natin, nagsimula din kami doon. And syempre, hindi lang nawala sa amin yung lagi namin ginagalingan, lagi kami nag-iingat, lagi kami nagdadasal at syempre, lagi kaming maniniwala. Kasi hanggang dulo, kapag hawak natin yung paniniwala at pagtitiwala sa pangarap natin, magagawa natin lahat ng bagay. Yun lamang.
Oh, inspiring! Ulit, pwede ba kayo magpakilala ulit? I know pakilala na kayo kanina.
Sure po.
But can you guys go again?
We bloom and shine. Kami ang
Aster.
Hello po! Magandang umaga, kumusta? Ako si Aster Kian.
Good morning everyone, I'm Master Charlie.
Good morning po, I'm Master Tatin.
What is up everyone, I'm Master G.
Good morning po, ako po si Aster Alas.
Hello everyone, I'm Master Lawrence.
Hi everybody, this is Aster Wayne.
Magandang umaga po, ako po si Aster Lloyd.
Hello everyone, this is Aster Jem.
What's up guys, ako si Aster Miguel.
And hello everyone, this is Aster Cray. Hello po!
Thank you so much, Aster. Congratulations on your album and your single.
And thank you rin po na 25 for
Thank you
inviting
na
us.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you po. And also po lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon, alam ko pong busy po kayo tumakbo pero I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa pakikinig. Maraming salamat po.
Yes! Thank you everyone!
Puntabahan niyo yung mga twinkles
Stay
Thank you
hydrated.
so much.
Thank you po.
Ayan, guys, don't forget to follow them sa social media nila.
Kaya naman para sa lahat po ng nandito sa Net25, sa aming Twinkles, sa lahat ng P-pop artists, managers, and management nandito, muli, we bloom and shine. Kami ang
Aster, salamat po! Thank you guys! Enjoy the rest of the day!
Thank you so much.
Stay hydrated, everyone!
Enjoy everyone! Enjoy everyone! Thank you po!
Grabe.